how to permanently delete LinkedIn account step by step. In order to permanently delete our LinkedIn account, we just have to launch the LinkedIn application on our device. Once we launch the LinkedIn app on our device, tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen, and from the very bottom left, you just want to go to this option called Settings. From the Settings tab, you'll find all these options, from where you have to go to the option called Account Preferences. And from Account Preferences, again just scroll all the way down to the very bottom until under Account Management you see the option called Close or Delete Account. So tap on that particular option. Just tap the Continue button over here and select your reason and tap the next option. And finally, all you have to do is enter your LinkedIn account's password, then tap on the Done button that will be enabled after you type in the password. And once you've confirmed your password, your LinkedIn account will be successfully and permanently deleted. This way you can permanently delete your LinkedIn account. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.